not for the vlog, where we're going.
If it's not for the vlog, why are you filming it?
So I can push, so it can remind you of it. Okay guys, we've been out and about in the field, we've just walked around the mall trying to find something. All I can say is don't go in the mall ever in Beijing. One, you can't find anything. Two, then we decide I'm giving up because I've had enough. You can't find your way out. We've just been to McDonald's because that's what we do. And it did us a favour, it wouldn't let us pay, so we walked out. We went to KFC, took one look at the menu and walked out. Now we're coming to try this place. Michelle says it has a menu in English, but I can't see the menu anyway. Salted cheese beverage. It has pictures. Oh, glasses. 2 seconds. Okay guys, I'll show you the menu. This may take some time. Made a mistake there guys, I showed you how Michelle ordered. It's quite easy, wasn't it? Basically boils into warm coffee, hot, with and sour. We're kind of catching up on this one, no one day, so we're going to get this and get back to the hotel and crash. Hopefully we'll find a shop and get some water on the way home. Rehydrate ourselves.
It smells weird, so I'm not eating it.
Okay guys, this is Michelle's braised beef with rice and a 100-year-old egg. It's been removed. Looks nice. Yeah. This is mine. Natural beef. Noodles. Okay guys, we just got the bill. That was 137 yen, which is about 14 quid. So we'll see what, £7 each. Price for McDonald's, huh? And when you consider that cafe over is really expensive. Okay guys, we've come out because Michelle sensed... I didn't sense anything.
I just get the feeling that we're straying a little too far from tourist town.
Nah, they took our money. And well, like we said, what was that, about £15, £7 each for that.
Food was really good actually.
Apart from, you cannot eat noodles with chopsticks. Why? They don't even cut them up into chopstick size chunks.
Well, they maybe do for everybody that isn't you.
Oh, don't ever get tomato soup with noodles in it. You're going to get covered in tomato soup when you use chopsticks. But apart from that. Anyway, we'll get somewhere back now and crash because we've got a long day tomorrow as well. We're going around the Forbidden City. And what we're doing?
Tiananmen Square, Forbidden City, Temple of Heaven.
Okay, we're going to fight our way back on the subway now. And what looks like rush hour. Moving on. Okay guys, we're going to nip out and find a pub. We know where there is one, we ain't going far. But the electric keeps turning off. Let's hope it's not the electric of the hotel which will lift us off as we're going down. Okay guys, we found the pub. And that's kind of it for the night. We're just going to have a beer and call it for the night. It's local time, 20 past 9. And yeah, fantastic day. Bit of running about at the end, trying to find somewhere to eat. And Michelle felt uncomfortable in the restaurant, but I never noticed. But with that, I think it's time to call it on the vlog for today. That was the day we did the Great Wall and the Jade Factory and the tea shop and what was the other place? Oh yeah, the Ming Mausoleums, big graveyard there. It was a really good day and the weather was kind to us as well. So with that, it's time to call it, yeah? So it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from them.
Good night. See you all in the morning.